Hello everyone and welcome back to the techystack channel. So today we'll try to explore one more concept which is related to the uh, read files. So I'm keeping one automation as read files. So basically we have this some txt files are there now. So we'll try to read that files and based on that input of what we can do that. So first of all we'll understand that and we'll explore this read file. So this is my automation name I have created. So let me move. Yeah. So it's came here. So once you go this search icon here and you can just type read. So and you can see this read file as there, open line readers, a lot of the things are there. So we'll go to this read file. So what is this read file? What are the parameters? What are the things are available here? So when you go this, these are the parameters. You have the input file path and you encoding by default it is available and whatever the data is storing into the one output which we called content. So if you want you can change that output by updating here. Let me one second. So just cross the thing and you can update data. Okay, so variable has created. Okay, now we'll target this one sample text. So in this sample text, tag is one of the YouTube channel. So just I want to get display of this one. So just copy as this path and updating the path here. Okay, we'll check whether I'm getting this output or not. So just I will go and run this automation. So we'll see whether it is reading or how it's reading. We'll just analyze that one. Okay, why it's taking this much time? So when you're taking this much time, you just go and refresh this. Maybe sometimes backend catches will not clear properly. That's the one issue. So normally it won't occur, but if you occur, just you can refresh that page. Okay, I'm not sure. Still getting the same issue. So we'll wait for until to get that test one. Let me check whether it is connected or not. Okay, the head disconnected tile isn't. Okay, so why this is occurring means the agent has disconnected due to inactivity of trial tenant. So you need to reconnect. If you got this kind of error, just click on the restart. It will restart automatically and it will connect one. So just we'll check that. Okay, agent is starting. So just we'll wait until to complete this one. Okay, now it's got connected. So this is the issue with this thing. If you got any error like that, you can just do the step what I did. Okay, now we'll just click on the test and we'll see. So whether it is able to read the data or not. The first we'll observe the thing. So when I go logs, you can check here and this is a file path and you can see this. So it has read the things. Okay, now this is the done. So next what I want to basically I want to update the data. So for that I use write. You can see this write file is there. So I will put top side and the same path I will take it here from here. Okay, just go here and I will update. Just save and when you see here I have the content. So just I will update this content. Okay, I will update. Just I will update YouTube. So forget about the all the things. So I'm targeting on the same application, and you can see this unexpected characters. When you click on this question mark, show more options. So if true, skip this characters for instance like this. So some kind of these things are there. So it will new line slasher. It will just skip that one, and we can see this overwrite. Let me. I think here true or false it will come. Okay, true or false encoding. This might be UFT. This one you can check anything is fine. As of now, we can leave it that. And this overwrite will check that. First of all, whether I'm updating the data or not, we'll check that. So initially, what have data is there? Now I have the data is tech is on YouTube channel. So that is the my data is available in this here. So let me open and I will show you. So it having the data is this one. So now we'll see whether it is appending or overwriting or what it will doing. We'll check that. So let me run this. we need to understand what is it's happening and what is thing is there. So now content is YouTube. Just I make it, and when I go and check, so it has override that existing value. So existing whatever the data is in, it just remove and write this new value. So this is the way it's working. Now we'll go and check what is true or false. What it will happen, we'll check. So when you check here, override question mark. So if it is set true, overrides will the existing the file. So just I will make this as true. Okay, and there's a one more hint. When you check here this override, let me show you this thing. So you can see this B is nothing but as a boolean or the true or false it will consider. So it may accept the true or false. No, now I updated this and I will just slightly change this thing you to new just for understand purpose. Okay, now we'll see whether it will overwrite that file or how it will write that. So already YouTube is available. Then I added one more value as YouTube new. So we'll see how it will override, or it might be the entire it will delete and only write the new thing. We'll check. So when I check here again, it has override it. So now it has a YouTube new. So let me try with the false as well. So what it will give this output. So let me keep this as false. Okay, now we'll check this. So why this one means sometimes if you want to work with txt files, so that's why the purpose. So we need to understand basically how it will works. So when you check this, the session has failed. So what it's saying, what it's saying. So file write to file ext file already opened. Okay, but I have not opened. Let me check where I opened. Okay, let me close this and I will try. I will run this one more time. So let it run. Okay, maybe this over, I mean, what I understand means here, let me tell you one thing. So when you see is overwrite, if the file is available, so then it's not writing. So when I remove this, I will keep this a blank. Okay. Now when I run this, so it's by default, it's overwriting that file I'm thinking. So let it run. We'll see what it will give. So backend some error gone through. That's fine. No problem. Will rerun. Okay, now this is has done, and we can see this it overwrite. So if you want to avoid this error, so you need to give here it's a false. So false, it's just not overwriting the exact things. So whatever the data is, just updated that. Okay, now this is understand, we got it something. So we need to take this override or we need to take it blank. So we got these things. Okay, now I will check, is there any value append. Okay, append file is there. So how it will work, we'll check this as well. Okay, let me keep on the top side, and this is a file path. I'm taking the same file path. Okay, just I will go and update here file path and append the content. So what I'm appending content means new content. Okay, just I will save, and okay, fine. Now we'll check whether it will update this existing data or it won't update. We'll observe these things. So similar way, it related to some are already we have some RP tools. So similar way, but the thing is, just we need to understand how the things exactly works. So if you say the all logics are same, for example, if you say for loop is anywhere is a for loop, but the thing is syntax will be the change for the VBA, Python, JavaScript, or might be the Java or C plus. The script will be the change. Okay, and you can see this. It updated the new content, and I will go and open this one. So now when you check here, so it has updated this new content. So the space or whatever it may be, but finally it's updating the data. So when you use this append file, it's updating the data, but it updating on the same line. Just we'll check here one more thing if there anything. Okay, encoding, this is fine. Manage unexpected characters. So, okay, the same thing when you have the slash and slasher. So it might be skipping that point, and I will check here. Just I will go and add slash n. So slash n, basically slash n will nothing but as a new line. So we'll check whether now it will add to the new line or not. Okay, just I will go. I mean, if you are working with, it should be some patience and see end to end and try from your end. So if you get some ideas, you can follow the ideas, implement it. If you're not getting, let me know in the comment section. We'll try to explore that thing as well. Okay, now we'll check whether it will update it in the new line or not. Just we'll check. Okay, it's done. I will go back to this again text file. Okay, now it's not updated, but it's taking a slash n. So basically, which is not expecting. What I'm expecting means this should be update here like this. Okay, so I'm expecting like this. Let me explore this one how it will work. Okay, just we'll understand what we missed here. Okay, just I go here. So text, okay, internal slash n will not be interrupted to the new line break. If it is true, skip that. So okay, if I keep this true option, for example, if I select here true, so then slash n or might be the slash up will not be interrupt as a new line, but it kept as a text. But here we make it as false only. Basically, it should work. So let we'll check. Okay, this is fine. Basically, the syntax everything is correct, but it's not updating the value. Let me put here true. Just we'll try that as well. What it will do the output. So we need to explore the things. Why I'm doing like this means you also try from your end. Just check. So what it will doing. So whether it is writing the thing or not. Okay. Now when I go inside, and you can see this. So this is also not considering. Just it will give as a text. But what I'm expecting is not getting that. So we need to. I mean, we need to explore how it should work. Have checked here as per this manage unexpected characters. So if it is keep true, then it will consider as a normal text. So once you keep this false, so basically it should consider as a new line, but here it's not considering. So I have run for multiple times, but there is nothing is there. So just I'm running one more time and we can see this, there is nothing is there. So maybe I missed something or maybe something issue with this internally. I'm not sure. But as of now, I'm skipping that part. Just I will run one more time and I will show this output. So here, when I check here, the same thing is. So this is the thing. I don't know whether I missed or something is missed. So now that part is completed. We'll try to export new thing. So now if I have multiple data like this, so if I want to replace with new with some value, for example, if you say this YouTube, so this one I can change to the WhatsApp. So how we can do that one? So we'll just check. Okay. So for that, what we need to know? So we need to use this. Same read range file first of all. After this we need to write range. Okay, forget about this append. Right now we are not using that append. So this is my write file. So it having the data everything stored in this variable which is called data. So now go to this here and use this data step one dot data dot dot replace of. So what is the text? So I have the text like YouTube. So let me go and get this YouTube. Okay, don't save YouTube and replace with WhatsApp. Okay, this is the thing. Just I want to do this some activity. So like that, when you go in real time, we'll get lot of the things with it. So we need to understand this one how it will do. Okay, now I'm just 1 second. Let me check whether it's updated. Okay, fine. The content has everything is done. So now we'll just initially input we have this YouTube new. Now it will change to the WhatsApp new. That's it. So we'll check now it will run our requirement or not. So execution has been completed. You can check here. So this is a content as new YouTube view, and this is a content which I want to update there. Okay, now I will go and check. So I have this the WhatsApp team. So this is a way how we can do some kind of small string operations. We can do this. So try to explore from your side. So is there anything different you can do that? So you can try and share the output. It will help to others as well.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.